Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm in Cape Town, South Africa. So it is afternoon now. It is 15:35. Um, Allow me to quickly um, introduce myself first of all, before I get into this video and what I quickly want to share with you. So I'm Dre. I am an entrepreneur. I run about one or two, three businesses that I run. Personally, my own businesses. And then on top of that, I'm trading a little bit of Forex on the sideline. I've been doing it for the past 5 years, but I have not been profitable. But here is why, and I think this is the important thing I want to share with you. I think you many have heard about Forex, and we have all heard Forex is a scam, and Forex doesn't work, and Forex is a lie. And I've been one of that people. I've been one of those. I am still one of those that think, hey, is it a scam? What is it? Is it legit? What's the case with Forex? But yes, I'm gonna tell you why. So for 5 years, I've been doing it now for about 5 years. But the reason why, if you've heard me just said earlier, I'm not profitable as of yet, even after 5 years, because I've been in the market, out of the market, in the market, out of the market, in the market, jumping in and out, So I've never really stayed in the market. And here's the reason why, because obviously you want to make sure it is legit. I wanted to make sure it is legit. Um, so me, as a business owner, for me, research is very important. I believe in you need to do the necessary research in anything that you do. So I'm very hard on that, and that is the reason why I've been in and out of the markets. But here's the thing, and here's my line. Fast forward, 5 years, 4 5 years later, and I'm now seriously going into Forex. Um, After I've checked it out, I've done so many research on it. Um, I've 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 managed to see if it is a reality and if it's not. So here's the thing. So I'm going completely into being a learner, um, trying to develop myself. There's no course that I've done. There is no mentor that I have. There is no nothing. I'm gonna do this thing by myself. I'm gonna go on this journey by myself, fully by myself. I want to quickly share something with you. So for the past 5 years, I've probably lost over 30,000 rand within the markets. I'm sure probably over 30,000 rand I've lost over the 5 years, or 4 5 years that I've been trying Forex. Let me show it to you. If you think I'm lying. So if you can check here behind me, I'm gonna try if you can see potentially the numbers. Um, I'm not too sure if you are able to see. So this is a complete live account, eh? Um, you're not able to. So if you can, let me see if I can show you there. That is a complete live account. You can see there. Um, so that's the money that I have lost within the markets. I have lost all of that money. over that is about, so it is 33,353 rand in deposits, right? And then in withdrawals, there was 9,300. So typically we are in a minus of 24,048 rand and 25 cents. That is what we typically in a minus in. So here's my thing. Guys, you guys are gonna go on the journey with me. Now I've made deposits and I've made withdrawals. So I have managed to see if Forex is a real and if Forex is a scam. Um, so I've learned a couple of hard lessons for sure. I've learned some hard lessons. And it is true what they say, Forex is a it's a the mentality or the psychological um, level in forex is the most important thing. And come I tell you, to be honest, I am still failing at it. But here's the thing: as I am going, I'm getting stronger and stronger and stronger. There's a lot of other technical things that is also important that goes with it. But here's the thing: I'm learning. I'm learning every day. I'm learning every single day new things. I'm learning how to manage my psychological level and everything that goes apart with it. Because why is the thing? It's to do with money, and working with money and managing money is not the easy thing. You have to learn to control it. And in Forex, it's the most important thing. And here's what I can tell you: what I'm learning is this is the reason why people are failing in it. This is the reason why people are not making it in the market. Simply because they are unable to manage it. And here's the other most important thing, guys: you gotta have money. There's no two ways about it. You need to have money. If you don't have money, you will not survive. So this is it from me. Today it's the 19th of the 5th month, 2025, when I'm making this video, and I'm down by 24,000. I'm in a minus of 24,000. So I want to take you on this journey with me, and I want you to go with me. I'm going to keep you posted. I'm going to keep you I'm going to try and make more videos on the growth that I've made on it. You can go on this journey with me. You are starting. This is a fresh start. I'm starting today. I'm starting challenging myself and putting the content out there for someone to follow the journey with me. So follow this journey with me. Like, subscribe to my channels, to my TikTok, to my Instagram, to my YouTube channel. Wherever you see this video, all my videos, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you follow. Go on this journey with me. I'm going to try and be as realistic as possible. I'm also going to try to be transparent as far as possible. And I want to put the best content out there for someone who does not believe in Forex. I want to show you that it is real. And I also want to show you that you can do it. You can do it without having to pay someone. You can do it without having to take a course and invest money and things like that. As I go, I'm going to try and share information with you as far as possible. um, but this thing is not for the faint-hearted, beloveds. And also, this is for please, this is not for someone who wants this. You're going to be gambling with your money if you don't know what you're doing. So peace out, guys. This is the very first video. Like, subscribe, follow my YouTube, and go with me on this journey as we go into this markets. I'm already 24,000 rand down. Beloveds, 24,000 rand gone. out of my bank account. I can show you all of the necessary um payments that I've made to the broker that I'm using. It's been